Affiliate Marketing for Beginners with Digistore24 in 2021. Okay, so many people have heard of ClickBank. Digistore24 is another similar platform. It has similar products as well. But I'm going to show you in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make money as an affiliate, how you can get free traffic, and this traffic method is so underrated. People don't even know you can use. A lot of people don't even know you can use this traffic. So I'm going to show you firstly how to register. If you haven't got an account here, it's pretty straightforward. If you want to get started, it's free to sign up, and you just fill out the details here, and they will register you in a very short time. So just having a look at their website. So you'd be signing up as an affiliate, not as a product seller. The marketplace features and knowledge base here. So you can sell and promote digital products, software, events, physical products, and much, much more. What I'm going to show you is how to promote a product that's in demand, and it's a digital product. And by digital product, what I mean there is downloaded from the internet. People that buy online today want everything yesterday. Now you can do really well selling some of these other products as well. But I'm just going to show you an example today on a digital product. And it's pretty 3 steps with this process. Step 1 is you just register at Digistore24. Step 2, select a product from the marketplace and promote the product to your audience. And step 4 is you bank your products, bank your profits. Now, if you're new to my channel, consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell icon. Give us a thumbs up. It'll get you notified of future videos that I post. I post videos on making money online, affiliate marketing, and how-to tutorials. Now, if you're returning to the channel, fantastic, welcome, great to have you back again. Now, also, if you wait till the end, I'm going to give you a free landing page software where you can collect email addresses, set it up so it automatically sends out emails. And the great thing about that is that it generally increases your conversions. Let's say you got between 1 to 3% that buy when they go direct to your sales page or your affiliate offer. Using a landing page sales funnel, you might increase that to 10% by just sending a few emails, giving them some more details, including the link, and people will buy from that as well. So stay tuned. Towards the end, I'm going to show you how you can get access to that. So we're on Digistore24. Now we're going to go over here to the marketplace. I'm not signed in, but that's okay. Now, there are 3 main categories that do really well, and it's called health, wealth, or relationships. And within inside of those categories, you'll get subcategories, sub-niches, if you like. So what I'm going to look today, let's have a look at dating, love, and relationships. Now, we want to find a product that we're going to be able to make a reasonable amount of money on. And I'm going to show you which product to choose, how to do that, and how we're going to promote that. So I've had a look through here. Now, if you have a look, this product here, you earn 90% commission on the front end and back end sales. Now, what they mean by back end or front end is the original sales page, and you get commission on the sale from that page. And then the back end is where they might have an upsell. They might have a one-time offer, that sort of thing. Or they might even promote it through their email system. So you get commission on both of those. And as you can see, they pay you 90%. So you're going to earn around $46. Now, to get your affiliate link, which is the link that that you need to promote the product, and that's how the product vendor, how Digistore24 know who has sent the product, the lead to them, and pay the commission. And just here you can see some statistics and things about the product. So the average price sells for $67, which means it's not a $20 product, so it gives it a better perceived value. The commission is 90%. Your average earning per sale, and that's Californian dollars, $46. Earnings, cards, $3.80, some of these things. And the vendor's product name is His Secret. It's been on the market on Digistore24 about 1 year. And it gives you some sales rank in digital products. It's number 5. Cart conversion, 12%. Cancellation rate. So it has a 14% cancellation rate. It's worth taking that into account when you look through. So this product only pays 75%, and you're earning $24. And it has a 37% cancellation rate. So I would steer clear of that. You don't want to put all that effort in to see approximately 37% of them cancel. All right, so it just gives you some details here. Now what I'm going to show you is how are we going to promote this, right? How are we going to promote this? Now here's your affiliate link. I've obviously clicked on it. You just copy that. Now you want to keep that. I'm going to need that in a moment. Now I've just clicked on the link, and it's I'll turn the right strikes, but it's a video sales letter, and you can actually skip through to the text version if you want. And then video sales letters convert really, really well, and just like this one does. All right, so as you can see, I've moved the mouse to the top of the page, and the website detects that you're about to leave. Most times when people's mouse goes to the top of the page, they're about to leave. So hold on. Don't leave this page. Click below to get free 14 attraction secrets. Show me the free attraction secrets. That's another way of getting people to pay attention and to take a look at the product. Now I've just clicked on the text version. If you have a look, we can use some of these details in a moment when we promote this. And just 90 seconds from now, I'm going to let you in on something every man is secretly obsessed with. Something he craves more than love, more than money, even more than sex. Just have a look down the sales page. You want to get familiar with it and watch the video. They've got testimonials here as well. This product converts really, really well. And I know people are making a lot of money out of it. So have a look. There's testimonials. And let's move on. Now, this little known traffic that we're going to use is called TikTok. Now, TikTok's not what I thought it was in the beginning, thinking it was for kids and teenagers to jump and carry on and play around. Now, I've just did a search for dating. Now, if you have a look here, and here's a user, and it's around dating. Now, they've got 651,000 followers, 19.7 million likes. Now, that's crazy. That's crazy. Now, have a look at these videos, because TikTok is a video sharing platform where you can share videos up to 60 seconds. Now, many of the smart marketers are using TikTok to drive traffic to affiliate offers, to their YouTube channel, to their blog posts. So have a look at these. Now, you don't even need to make a video with you in it. If you have a look at this, sign someone is good for you, they accept you with your flaws. And now have a look at some of these views. 7,000 a day ago, 22,000, 4.49,000, 53,000. Signs of maturity. I'm going to show you where you can get these videos, because these videos are available for free. Available for free. If you go over to a website called Pexel, and there are others as well. Now you might just type in, let's say, dating. It has a topic there for love. Now you can have a look through videos, and all you need to do, and they're royalty free. You don't need to credit people with them at all. So what you do is you download that to you, and then you're going to re-upload it to TikTok. All right, so let's say you've downloaded your video. Now we go back here. As you can see, I have these little things here. Now you don't even, because you can do it all within TikTok. Now, where do we get these things that people put in here? Well, go over to Google and type in relationship facts and have a look. Just reuse these. Model them, reuse them. You can do that inside TikTok very, very easily. If you're not sure how to do that, just do a search on YouTube. I have some other videos here that will help you as well. You could also search Google for relationship quotes and then put it on images, and then you put them into your video. Now, do you think you could make these videos? When I say make, all I mean is download it to your computer. You don't have to give them credits. Go in, edit it in, upload it to TikTok, edit it with inside TikTok, and put some of these quotes or sayings on the video. Now, pretty simple, and they don't need to be great. I know of people that have got millions of views in less than 2 or 3 days. Do you think you could do this? Now you can see with this, they've got a link here to their YouTube channel. Now I'm going to they're leaving money on the table. I'm going to show you. This is where you're going to, in a moment, I'm going to show you how you can do this, but differently, so that you put your affiliate link. Now, you want to go over to a website called Linktree. Linktree is free, and it allows you to put links. And that link is where you will post your affiliate link. I'll show you one of mine here. When you click on these, so I would add another. Linktree is free. I'll just show you. If I was to click on one of these, this is where you would be redirected to your affiliate offer, and that's just where that takes me. The alternative to Linktree, for some reason, if you couldn't use Linktree, and I don't know why, there's another one called Beacons Page, and it does the same thing. Check them out. Go and sign up. They're both free. They cost you nothing to use. Having your own page, and you can put multiple, as you can see, you can put multiple links on your Linktree. So you want to put something catchy that will entice people to click on your link in your Linktree. So I'd go back here to the sales page and just have a look at what you could use from the page that will have people click on that. And I'll leave that to you. But, just have a look and test it, try it and test it. If it's not working, change it. And that's how you could make money with affiliate marketing for beginners with Digistore24 in 2021. Now, if you've got value from the video, consider hitting the subscribe button and the bell icon and give it a thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that this is the sort of video that you like to see. To be honest up front, it helps me, it helps the algorithm, and it just helps to get my videos out to more people. Now, I did say if you waited towards the end, I'd give you access to some free landing page software. If you have a look in the top left-hand corner of the screen, you'll see a thumbnail there that says lifetime access. Just click on that thumbnail, which will take you to another video. In the description of that video, there's a link. Click on that link. You can go and sign up for the software. It's free to sign up. It's lifetime access, and you don't need a credit card. it's really worthwhile now, because you get to collect email addresses and have more communication with people. Now, software like this can sell anywhere from $97 up to over $300 per month. At the moment, you can get lifetime access to it without a credit card. All right, I hope this has been of value, and you won't want to miss tomorrow's video.